Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. It's an easy tutorial and step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, on your screen, we are looking at Trust Wallet over here, and this is the extension for Chrome. You can also use that on your Google Chrome, and this is the same interface you will find on your mobile phone. So once you are here, you will see something like this, and at the top you will find send, receive, swap and buy and sell. What you need to do, just click on swap, and after that we have some options over here from this coin to another coin we are going to convert. So just click on this option, and here we are going to search USDT. Once you select USDT over here, select which coin you want to convert from, select that, select TRX over here, and after that, which is going to be our last step, just write down the amount you want to convert. Once you search like this, as you can see, I searched for 50. Under that, you will see the conversion, and this is how it looks like in TRX if you go for 1 USDT. After that, under that, you will see provider fee, minimum you will receive, and slipping tolerance. Make sure to check these all out. After that, just click on approve USDT, and your USDT has been converted to TRX on Trust Wallet. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.